We all have water tanks in our houses and offices, but have you ever wondered how they are made in the factory? Well, let's take a look. In the beginning, good quality raw material of linear low density polyethylene or LLDPE is taken and carefully measured for the perfect weight. After that, the raw material is sent to the pulverizing machine for grinding. At this stage, the rotational moulding machine is heated and the mould is inserted into it. After that, the raw material is placed into the mould by a funnel. As the roto-moulding machine heats up, the LLDPE melts and it coats the inner surface of the mould. After opening the machine, the mould is taken out and is left to cool down. Now, the mould is opened and the water tank is inspected. After that, the tank is removed from the mould and any excessive parts are trimmed off. Then, informative stickers of the company's details are placed onto it. Finally, the tank is plastic wrapped and ready to dispatch.